Brought to you by Stormer Hobbies and StormerHobbies.com.
Hi, I'm Kevin Atmansky, technical editor for Radio Control Car Action Magazine. Today on RC Net, we're going to take a close look at LRP's ZR21X engine. LRP is well known for their electronics, their speed controls, motors, and other things. But what people don't really know is that they do have a line of engines. This one is their 21 competition engine, and it's cooled by a 10-fin, 2-piece heatsink head with a turbo plug. The carburetor is a 2-needle unit, and it comes with 7, 8, and 9mm inserts. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The engine block is made of aluminum and has fins on it for increased cooling. And it has a rubber seal bearing in the front end for support of the crankshaft. The crankshaft is your standard steel type crankshaft and has cutouts for increased performance. The piston and sleeve use ABC construction, and the piston has these grooves in here to retain oil in the sleeve, and it has a knife-edged conrod. This engine is very powerful and more than enough for any vehicle out there that requires a big block engine. I put it into my team associated RC8T Truggy. Let's check it out in action.
Only at rccaraction.com.